Hello everyone, I'm your Ashimano vlogger and we are back for another cooking video. This time, isi-share ko sa inyo ang paborito kong apple crumble and speculoos spice. Napakasimple lang po ng recipe na to at napakadaling gawin. Preparation time is at least 20 minutes and cooking time or baking time is also another 20 minutes. Napakasarap po nito lalo na kung paparisan nyo ng vanilla ice cream. And this apple crumble is gagamitin natin ng speculoos spice. Speculoos spice is kilang-kilala dito sa Belgium na ginagamit for speculoos cookies. Full recipe will be added in our description box, so please do check it out, including ang ating speculoos spice. So let's start cooking. Bago ko mag-umpisang i-prepare yung ating mga ingredients, naka-preheat na po ang ating oven sa 200 degrees. For our first ingredients, we will be needing 200 grams of flour, 125 grams brown sugar, 150 grams unsalted butter, almond flakes. This will add crunchiness dun sa ating apple crumble. And of course, yung ating speculoos spices. As I said, inasa description box po natin kung paano gumawa ng homemade speculoos spice. I really recommend na try nyo po yung spice na to. It's really nice, lalo na sa cookies. Next, we will be needing 2 apples na naka-dice na siya sa small pieces. With apple crumble, I prepare yung apple na hindi matikas. Also, I need 2 tablespoons of lemon. Now, I will start preparing yung ating fillings. First is lalagyan ko ng 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar yung ating naka-slice na apple. And then, kalahati ng ating speculoos spice is lalagyan din natin yung ating apple and konting apple flakes. Also, lemon juice. Dito is hindi ko na ilagay kagad yung lemon juice. Nalagay ko na siya dun sa bandang huli. But you can add your lemon juice now. After that is isi-set aside natin ito kapag nahalo na ng mabuti. Next kong i-prepare is yung ating crumble. Napakasimple lang po nitong gawin. Paghahalu-haluin lang natin yung natira nating ingredients, yung ating flour, yung brown sugar, yung ating speculoos powder na natira, and then saka natin ilalagay yung ating nakahiwa-hiwang cold butter, room temperature, at least room temperature yung ating butter, and then ihahalo natin dito sa ating flour ng dahan-dahan, huwag sabay-sabay. Now, I will start na i-mash yung ating butter doon sa flour mixture. Huwag sabay-sabay paglagay ng butter, unti-untiin lang. And remember also, the more or the longer na minamash mo yung butter mo doon sa iyong flour, the more na malalaki yung iyong crumble. So, yung preparation ng crumble is nasa sa inyo. Ako kasi, I like mine not too chunky. Here, as you can see, nag-uumpisa na magbuo-buo yung aking crumbles, yung mga chunk. Meron na tayong maliliit na chunk. And you see also the color. Promise, ang bango-bango nito with the brown sugar and the speculoos spice. Subukan nyo po talaga itong ating apple crumble and speculoos spice. Kung kayo po ay yung tipo ng tao na mahilig sa mga spice cookies, this one is papatok sa panlasa nyo. Here in Belgium is kilalang-kilala po ang Speculoos cookies. Originally, sa apple crumble is gumagamit ng cinnamon and nutmeg. But Speculoos spice, there are more spices na in-introduce doon sa ating apple crumble na it works really, really nice with apple. So, ready na yung ating dalawang mixture. What I want to do is, maglalagay ako ng konti muna ng ating crumble para lang masiksik ng mabuti yung ating crumble dun sa fillings. And then, yung sobra ng ating, the rest ng ating crumble is ibubuhos natin sa top ng ating apple fillings. So, ayan na nga, ibinuhos ko na lahat ng ating crumble, making sure na natatakpan ng mabuti yung ating fillings, and then itatap din natin to ng ating almond flakes. You can use pecan nuts also if you don't have almonds. Pecan nuts is really, really nice also with apples. So that's ready to go to the oven. We will bake this for 20 minutes in 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan na po, ready na po yung ating apple crumble and speculoos spice. It looks dry outside pero inside actually moist po yan dahil dun sa ating apple fillings. At masarap po talaga to, serve with a scoop of a good vanilla ice cream. That's it for today. I'm your Asha Merong vlogger saying thank you for watching. Bye for now, and I hope to see you again. Bye!